Hi guys, it's Andy from Tech UK. Today we're giving an overview for AMP. AMP stands for Antec Mobile Product. So this is the SP1 portable Bluetooth speaker that we have here in front of us. As you can see from the actual packaging, the speaker itself is very much on display behind this plastic clear sort of side panel as such. So moving on to the side, obviously we've got the branding of SP1 with AMP right up at the top here. On the back we have got information in a couple of different languages, but obviously what we need is the English version. So we've got B-Free, stream digital media wirelessly from Bluetooth enabled devices. Let's Chat, it features a built-in microphone which will allow you to pick up and also place calls. It's limitless, so listen to your favourite song, watch a movie or play games with big sound. Ready, set, go, up to 10 hours playback time. That's very, very good indeed. The SP1 is always ready when you are. Specification, we have a range of up to 10 metre, which is 33 feet, and you can connect either via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm stereo jack. So again, just to look on that side as well. Oh, we've also got a couple of accessories included. We've got a 3.5mm jack, and obviously we've got the charging cable as well. So let's now get into this. Okay, so let's now lift this up, and we can then reveal what's inside. So very neatly packaged. Obviously we've got the 3.5mm jack included, which is nice. We've got the charging cable, mini USB charging cable. Also within here, we've got an SP1 user manual, so it's going to tell you how to connect via Bluetooth, any troubleshooting, how to place calls, and obviously what the various different buttons are on the top. We've also got your what looks to be your warranty card, possibly. Yeah, 2-year warranty, which is really good. Make sure that the unit is 100% fully charged before using it for the first time, and I think that's about it. Oh, share the experience on a bit of cardboard. So let's put them all back in there. Oh, we've got a serial number on the sticker. So this is the actual speaker itself. So let's now attempt to somehow remove this. So you've got, potentially this could actually be what looks to be like some form of carry case as well, or sort of somewhere to store it when not in use. So this is the actual AMP SP1. So as you can see, it's not quite sort of rectangular or square. It feels absolutely, well, it feels very, very heavy indeed. I'm really surprised how heavy this feels, but obviously that's a very good sign of the quality that we would potentially look to expect from this sort of speaker. So obviously on the front we've got a very striking grilled design. Obviously the version that we have here is in blue. It does come in other colours as well. On the bottom we've got various different codes, obviously Bluetooth one that I recognise, obviously don't sort of chuck it away normally, and obviously Antec mobile products down there. On this side we have the, got it right way around, we have an on-off switch, the aux-in 3.5mm jack, obviously the cable there for charging, and then up at the top we have got a plus and minus, and also a middle button which potentially could sort of make and receive calls. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to connect this up to my phone. We're going to have a listen to some music, and I'm also going to sort of demonstrate the buttons along the top. Okay guys, so let's carry on with the sound test of the Antec Mobile Products SP1. Just want to show you the LED indication on the side here on the on-off switch. If that was flashing red, it would indicate that we've got a low battery. Alternate red and white shows that it's charging. A solid white colour shows that it's fully charged, and the complete flashing one, which we'll show you in a moment, shows that it's actually pairing. That at the moment obviously shows that it's not quite fully charged, but obviously it's going to be enough for us. So obviously got the phone here. I'll just try and get that in without the light sort of shining on it. Bear with me. Here we go. So if I just put that to one side, I'm going to hold the center button and it comes up on the actual display. So we'll connect to that now. And I see it's connected. You heard an audible sound there to show that that is actually connected. Now, turning the volume up. It beeps once it's got to full volume. Let's see if it just does the same when we go down. No, not at all. So let's now play a little bit of music through the SP1. As you can see, I've got the microphone just here, so hopefully it will give you a good indication as to the sort of sound volume, etc. from this device. So as you can see, that's quite low at the moment. And that's now at full volume. Okay, so now on to my personal thoughts about the SP1 from Antec. Hopefully, as you've just heard, the SP1, the sound quality from the portable speaker is absolutely phenomenal. Massively impressed by the quality of the sound. Very rich with the bass, very crystal clear. Even when it's up at full volume, it wasn't getting distorted, although potentially obviously that came through when you guys are watching this, obviously with the microphone that I have. The design of the SP1 may not be to everyone's taste, but I do really like the front grille. There's a whole range of different colour options, which is absolutely fantastic. I think there's about 7 different colour options, and you'll see them up on the screen at the moment. The price of the SP1 may be a little bit steep compared to some of the other products that are on the market, but at the end of the day, you do really get what you pay for, and I really do recommend the SP1 to anyone who's into the music and obviously wants that portability of having a speaker on the go. Just wanted to add a big thank you to Everything Burns for allowing us to use their music for sound testing as well. Hope you liked the overview. Be interesting to see what you guys think about this particular speaker, so if you'd like to leave a comment down below, that'll be fantastic. Big thanks to Antec, our sponsor, for sending this through for review, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
We hoped you liked our video review. If you did, then please leave a like as well as any comments or questions you may have down below. Full details and specifications on this item can be found at our website nismotech.com, along with all the links for purchasing if you wish. Also on our site you'll find our latest reviews and current giveaways, plus a lot more. We look forward to seeing you in our next review.